Alright guys, welcome back to another video here on the channel. So today's video we're gonna give you guys an update on my custom cluster that I want to get for my Silverado SS with custom knobs behind the cluster needles, as you see right there. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe with the bell notifications turned on all. Share this video with a friend. If any company sponsor wants to work with me, my business down below in the description with my social medias, go check it out. Appreciate all the support, guys. Make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. We're uploading every single day daily, so thank you so much. Drop a like, subscribe, share the video, and let's go ahead and get started. So if you guys are new to this channel, this is my Silverado SS right there, guys, and what I basically want to get is a OEM 101 cluster with LEDs. Obviously, I already have the cluster. The thing is, I just want to add this final small upgrade that literally gives this cluster a lot of attention, and that's being these circle shaped black behind these needles. As you see, this is what my cluster looks like, but obviously white faced SS face. This is the company that basically does the LED conversions of the Silverado, or if you guys have a bubble or in general any other trucks, as you see, they do it all, as you see. So basically, chat, I contacted them saying if it was like if they can do it. They're like, yeah, we could do the work. Obviously if they're trying to do a 101 face, it's gonna be obviously an extra cost, a little pricey, which is not bad of a deal. They gave me a great deal, but I'm just asking you guys, should I actually get it, chat? Like, is it actually how do you say it, is it actually worth it or what? Let me know in the comments, because we could literally customize our own build right here, but this is not the one that I got. The one that I got is 03. So if you see right here, we're gonna do gas with trans temp. It's gonna be, is it this one? I would say it's that one right there. So yeah, look, they give you like a visual. So look, this was what I'm saying, chat. Is it this one? Yeah, my truck's a 2003. Yeah, is this one right? Oh yeah, I don't like that red though. My bad, chat. I'm trying to customize it. By the way, I already have my cluster, chat. I just want to show you guys an idea without going to Google. Here it is. Yeah, SUV gas. So this is what it looks like. This is like a redesign. So look, this is the cluster. Imagine this is what it looks like. Chrome lens. Oh, they got everything. No, I don't like that. No chrome lens, right? No, I'm trying to, no. Yeah, like that. Pointer needles. So look, I'm gonna give you guys an example. Blue needles with black. Wait, blue. What is it? Blue needle? No, it's blue. Why is it white needles? Bro, it's blue needles, chat. See, I don't think they got the right one. And I don't like that. My bad, chat. I guess I'll do that. Pre-color. Oh no, we're doing white. Wait, 350 bucks. Okay, this is just a custom. All right, so look, so obviously this is what my cluster looks like. I already have it, chat. If you guys are new to this channel, I already got my cluster installed on my truck. But what I'm trying to add is, obviously mine is not like that silver color, it's black. So what I'm trying to do is add these circle knobs underneath the needles, which gives it that original OEM SS look. So as you see, we're trying to customize it, but I'm trying to go super OEM plus on my truck. I feel like, guys, you gotta like pay attention from my side. I have a real Silverado SS. I'm trying to get my truck as OEM as possible. And with that being said, the option would be as if I add black circles underneath the needles just to make it that OEM plus look. Now, if I go ahead and showcase on the internet, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. But this is already what I have. This is literally what I have installed on my truck already. It's just I need those black circles behind the underneath the needles, chat, is what I'm trying to get. So if I go ahead and search it up, hold up, chat, my bad. Meanwhile, you guys could take a look at my setup. This is my setup, chat. W's in the chat. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. Yo, chat, hold on, look. I don't know why my keyboard's not lit up, LED. I don't know what's going on with that, but yeah, I have no idea. Somebody let me know. But look. So, this is the original. Bless you. This is the original SS cluster right here. So this is a better face. So look. Y'all see these black circles right there? I'm trying to get them thicker. So they said they could do it. So I'm asking you guys, should I go ahead and get it done, chat? They gave me a great deal. There's the original pricing, 125. So I don't know if this will be the first ever 101 Silverado SS type look. So I'm trying to get these black circles right here, chat, thicker. All these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All these black circles are gonna be thicker, chat. That's what I'm trying to get. So then when I install it on my cluster, it's gonna look like, if I can find a picture, my bad, chat. It's just hard to find. It's not really no pictures. I don't know why they're blurry. I don't think it's my internet connection, right, chat? But you guys can see here. You see the black circle like underneath the needles? That's like how this is about. Oh, this is an OEM cluster. This is how like how original I want it to be, chat. Like y'all gotta bear with me, chat. I'm trying to get the best one of one OEM plus cluster on my truck. So yeah, that's like what my cluster looks like right now. But I'm trying to get it as OEM as possible, like that. You see, this is I'm pretty sure a real Silverado cluster. But y'all see the underneath needles, the circles are thick. That's what I'm trying to get, chat. So, like I said, they say they could do it. I'm just here making a video asking you guys, should I get it done? Do you guys think I'm just doing too much? Or do you guys think like I'm being like, how do you say it? Or do you guys like are on my side like, okay, do your thing, you know, I'm trying to get the best of the best. Let me know in the comments, chat, but I'm just trying to see what I could work with, chat. But yeah, I really want to get it done. It's a super great deal. I feel like I can't pass on this deal, but the only thing holding me back is really nothing. It's just, is it worth it? You know, is it worth the upgrade? Not the price. Is it worth the upgrade? Or am I doing too much? Oh, as well, one more thing is, will my lights glow as much, or will it look something like this? Obviously, instead of the yellow goldish lights, it'll be blue. So will my lights still glow super bright at night, or what? So yeah, chat, we'll see what's up. Like I said, right now we'll see what's up. I'll keep you guys up to date. But hey, I'm trying to get that done, chat. I really am. See, it's kind of like this. Is there a way, bro? Can I like? There you go. Oh yeah, that's a better picture. So y'all see those black thick circles underneath the needles? That's what I want, chat. That's exactly what I want. So is it worth it, chat, or just leave it as it is, or what? Do these small details matter? So I was able to email them, like I said. They said yes, we could get it done. They spoke with their designer team, the one that makes these cluster faces, and they say they could do it. Now they're just waiting on an email back from me. So I'm coming back with y'all with another video asking y'all, should I get it or what? Those black circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7, chat for real though. 7 total black circles. Thicker circles, redesigned, 101 cluster, OEM style, OEM plus. super identical 101 Silverado SS cluster face chat. So let me know what y'all think. Drop a like, subscribe, chat. Should we do it? I'll keep you guys up to date. If everything looks good, I'm gonna send the deposit. Very great deal. I feel like I can't miss out on it. It'll, by the way, it's gonna be my same cluster. It's just a new face. The white face is what I'm getting remade. The whole cluster, it's my same parts. The plastic parts is my original parts. It's just the face of the cluster. I'm getting a redesign with thicker circles. So let me know what y'all think. Chat, drop a subscribe. I'll keep you guys up to date. Let me know what y'all think, and I'll catch you on the next one, man. GG's.